You join us on a large domestic property just outside Langport in Somerset. In the garage here, we've got two 10 kilowatt SolarEdge inverters with battery storage. As we move outside, up here on the garage roof, we've got 22 panels. Back of the bungalow, there's 9, and over on the bottom, there's a further 17. Different orientations to maximise the generation. Since installation under a year ago, this customer has saved over 65% on their electricity bill. That's equating to over £2,000 worth of electricity saved and over £1,100 worth of export payments alone. Back in the garage, we've got a pair of 3-phase 10 kilowatt SolarEdge inverters. Each inverter has a pair of batteries connected to it. This site has a total storage capacity of 19.2 kilowatt hours worth of storage. A solution like this will work for you also. If you want any more information, get in touch and find out how we can help you.